Hi, sailors.
Welcome to episode 6 of TarTV. I'm E.
And I'm Rob, filling in for Braden, and we have some exciting segments to share with you.
But first, let's get into our announcements. This Friday is Grandparents' Day. We'll be welcoming all of our Newport Harbor grandparents to campus to share a school with them, along with sharing a special lunch in the gym. Because of this, we'll have an extended lunch schedule.
Don't forget that next Monday is Veterans Day, and to honor this, we will have no school. Enjoy the long weekend, sailors.
Now let's take a look at today's feature. As our fall sports season comes to a close, our athletes have had some exceptional performances this year.
One athlete who has consistently made the sailors proud is cross-country runner Keaton Robar. Let's hear about her successes this season and what it takes to be a strong and dedicated athlete.
Hi, I'm Keaton Robar and I'm a senior in cross-country this year. Yeah, my first introduction to running was, my mom was a runner. I knew that growing up, and I ran for ensign on my 7th grade cross-country team, and that was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with all of the people on there and just running and being able to do something. I always found it fun since I was on a soccer team since I was younger. And just since then, I've been able to grow and be on new teams and be on a high school team, which is even better, and be able to build a team to where it is now. Yeah, being a team leader in running, it's a lot of lead by example. You know, it's kind of hard. It's a hard sport. It's very mentally tough and physically tough, and we're all pushing our own boundaries. So just being there and showing them that I'm also pushing my boundaries helps them push themselves.
Well, Keaton sets an example every day. She's kind, compassionate, and arguably the fastest runner on the team right now. There isn't really an obstacle that slows her down or stops her, and she's just a great example to all people who look up to her.
Keaton is such a big role model for all the younger runners because of her abilities to do what she needs to do and stay healthy and hit all of her workouts coming to practice. And it really just inspires all the younger kids to be able to do what she does and get to that high level that she's at right now.
Honestly, getting school records, it was honestly really cool. The first one I got was sophomore year, and I just saw in my future being able to get more school records and push myself even further, because I was finally seeing my talent shine through and what I could really do.
She's very diligent, but she's also very methodical. When she does something, she does it with intention. So she doesn't just run through the motions. She makes sure if she has to stretch, she's really hitting all of those muscle groups for that intended stretch. When she needs to hydrate, she's putting all of the electrolytes and all of the specific nutrients in her body that she needs to. She doesn't, just go through the motions. She goes through everything with purpose, and that's a really great trademark of an athlete.
Yeah, in my future for running, I plan to run for a long time. I have some pretty big goals. I definitely see it running at the Division I level for cross country and track, and maybe even after that.
Now, let's take it to life in the harbor with Mickey.
Mickey recently visited the College and Career Fair at the OC Fairgrounds, where students had the chance to explore future opportunities.
Let's hear about some of the potential careers and pathways available to students just like you.
Hey sailors, Mickey here, and today on Life in the Harbor, we're back at the OC Fairgrounds, this time with College and Career Fair. This event is packed with options for your future, whether you're thinking about college, transferring to a university, or jumping into a trade. We'll talk with professionals from different industries to help you learn more about your career options. Let's check it out. I'm here with
Steve Lund.
Can you tell us a little bit about your college?
Yes, first it's called Musicians Institute, referred like College of Contemporary Music. Lots of different types of programs. It's all about music, very contemporary, modern. Instruments are guitar, bass, drums, keyboard, piano, and singing. And then we also do things like studio recording, music production, composition, songwriting, music business, a number of different types of programs.
That's amazing. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
I'm here with
Hi, I'm Maddie.
I'm Matthew.
Penelope.
Wyatt.
And can you tell me a little bit about your guys' program?
Yeah, so him and I, we are co-running the robotics team this year. This is the first year we're really taking it super seriously. We're going out to compete. Our goal is to get to state and hopefully worlds. And our biggest goal, since we're both seniors, is to find people who are going to carry the team on when we're gone. As it's really going to be a shallow place right now, so we're looking for anyone who's really interested in getting into it. We're super inviting.
I'm here with
Damian Durango.
And tell us a little bit about your college.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, first thing, shout out to Mom back at home. I hope you're watching. But I'm representing Orange Coast College, more specifically their sailing campus. So if you're ever interested in learning how to sail or a career in boating or want to get paid to travel the world, come down to OCC. It's in Newport. It's right next door. And we have lots of great summer classes and other things if you want to get around boating. It's pretty fun.
Awesome, thank you.
Absolutely.
I'm here with
Tyler Pence.
Chance Boulding.
Can you tell us a little bit about your program here?
Yeah, so the DECA program is a business club, and we go to competitions, and basically we're given real life scenarios and we compete based on the business that we get.
What a great way to explore your future. Whether it's earning a degree, getting certified, or starting a career, the College and Career Fair has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me. I'm Mickey, and this has been Life in the Harbor.
As the fall sports season wraps up, it's time to make way for our winter sports to take the spotlight.
That being said, here's one of our last sports recaps for fall to celebrate our outstanding victories.
Sit back and watch. Everybody think it's lonely at the top, but I got a team of winners in the squad. Get down with the action or get got. We coming for that number one spot. Number one spot. We coming for that number one spot. Number one spot. We coming for that number one spot.
Hey Sailors, it's your sports host, Brendan Reeve. We are starting to wrap up this fall sports season, and our teams have been doing amazing to say the least. Now, let's take a look at this action-packed season with standout moments from our teams and players from the Sailors. The boys water polo are still dominating the competition. These boys are undefeated in the regular season with a record of 28-0. They recently had senior night against Huntington Beach where the Sailors beat the Oilers 18-7, and all of our seniors played fantastic. But the team isn't done yet. It's now CIF where they just won their first game against Buena High School. Their next game is today, November 5th at CDM. Good luck, boys, and let's go show our support. Girls field hockey is on a roll. These girls had senior night in their last regular season game against Temecula, where they dominated with a score of 6-1. The girls had a big CIF run last week and finished their season strong. Players like Bridget Takeda, Sienna Snyder, and the team captain Sadie Simon have been fundamental to this team's success. Keep up the good work, girls. Our football team may have had tough games against San Juan Hills and Yorba Linda recently, but let's not forget their incredible victory in Battle of the Bay against CDM. Players like Jackson Stremick and Cade Fiegel have shown the heart and determination, proving this team has what it takes to win. Keep fighting, boys. We believe in you. Our girls' tennis team has been working hard all season, finishing with a 5-7 record. In singles, Lily Roman and Alex Wellborn have led the charge, while in doubles, players like Hannah Page and Kate O'Neill have been key players on the court. They've shown amazing skill and resilience all season. Keep pushing forward, ladies. Do not sleep on our flag football team. These girls have dominated almost any team that has come in their path. They have a regular season record of 23 wins and 2 losses, and they are not slowing down. In the playoffs, they have crushed the competition and are moving forward in CIF. Star players Maya Helmar, freshmen Siley Sid, and Audrey Burns have been leading this team to victory. Keep working hard, girls. Our girls golf team has been cruising on the course this year. Representing us in the CIF finals is Malia Cottrell and Hazel Cottrell, who have been outstanding for our girls golf team. Their hard work and dedication have been crucial to leading our program. Keep driving the ball, girls. Our cross-country runners have been giving it their all this season. For the girls team, Keaton Robar and Natalie McCarthy have been top competitors. On the boys side, Christian Scholes, Kyler Bonaparte, and Ethan Soule have been leading the way. Their hard work and dedication have been remarkable. Keep running strong, everyone. And finally, our girls volleyball team has been on a roll, spiking on the competition. With a strong record of 20-9, they fought hard all season and made it through a round of playoffs before finishing their sensational season. Standouts like Ava Cristiano, Ella Olsen, and Sophia Kim have been key to the team's success. Keep up the amazing work, girls. Well, that's a wrap for this episode's sports recap. But don't worry, it's still playoff season and our athletes are fired up to represent our school. Be sure to tune in next time to see all the latest updates on big wins and highlight moments from our sailors. I'm Brendan Reef. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
And finally, we're excited to bring back a fan favorite for the first time this year, TarTV Trys.
You may remember from last year where a crew had to try a sport that they have never done before. This week, TarTV will be trying the arts.
Do our crewmates have the same creativity for ceramics as they do film? Let's find out.
My name is Sophie Flandois. This is TarTV Trys. I heard that ceramics is really hard. I think it's really easy. Let's go try it out.
I'm Evie Jorgensen.
This is Brock Ketchum. I chose ceramics class just because I have some friends in this class and I thought it would be a good time, and I like making functional art.
Ceramics is really fun. It's always a blast. If you're interested in doing it, I think you should give it a try.
And then let's just get started.
All right, so first you gotta like get it in the middle and you gotta throw it in the middle like pretty hard.
Like that?
Yeah, that was pretty good. Maybe do it again.
There you go. That's good.
Okay, nice.
That's good.
You're right. Just kind of.
No, you're good.
Okay.
You don't have to.
Okay.
And then get it wet.
Like a lot.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Go like that. So like against the bottom.
Like right at the bottom.
And then spin it pretty fast. Like all the way.
You're like sealing it to the board. Now we're gonna center it. So you're gonna want to use this part of your hand.
Okay.
Get it like really wet.
Put it on your knee, like your elbow on your knee. This hand.
Oh.
And like go
Yeah.
pretty fast. Just like that.
And you're only from only using this part, and you want to keep it like this, like flat.
Okay. And then you can put your hand on top too to like make it
Like
go down.
this. So you're gonna use like this hand for top of it right here, like like this. Yeah, and then you're gonna use this part of your other hand like this. So it's like going down. So you're flattening the top of this and you're pushing it. This.
So like this?
Yeah. Yeah, but try and keep it.
Hello.
Okay, now you're gonna put a hole in the middle.
Okay, and that's when I do that.
So just like get it wet on top. You know, and then just like around like thumb.
Yeah, push your thumb down into the middle and
Like kind of stuff.
like
And then you're gonna open it with these two fingers and pull it like that.
Okay.
And
yeah,
make
you're
sure
just pulling this stuff out. This is hard part. And then you
make sure it's wet. You're gonna get the sponge and then your middle finger like that. And just go slow like that.
and only use your middle finger.
Okay. So get this wet?
Yeah. Like wring it out really well.
Feel like a little faster.
Oh, hello. Okay. So there's no coming back from that, really. When it broke, I wasn't surprised because it's really hard.
When I saw her, mess up the bowl, I kind of expected it, but she honestly wasn't that bad.
Something she could have done better was maybe just like finesse a little more, kind of just like flow with it, I guess I would say.
I mean, if I was to give any tips, I would just say just do it more. It kind of just takes practice. You gotta figure it out.
Hey guys, you know how I said it was easy? About that. Ceramics is actually really hard. The students in this classroom have a lot of talent and they have a lot of skill that takes a lot of time to get to that position. Clearly, I couldn't do it on my first try. Woe was me. Thank you for watching TarTV Trys. My name was Sophie, and this was Ceramics.
And this concludes our 6th episode of Season 10.
Before we sign off, let's take a look at this week's burning question.
Asked by @nhhs.tarpit, is there any chance that you guys could shout out my friend Ryan Williams? He just committed to Cal for baseball.
Of course! Huge shout out to Ryan and congratulations on this major achievement.
We hope you have an amazing experience at Cal.
If you have a question for us, DM at NHHS-TarTV for a chance to be featured in the next episode.
Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next episode of TarTV. And as always, Go Sailors!
Yeah, just like that.
It's moving too fast. I have my hands like this. I can't move. It's so hard. I don't like and Brock was just like.
She honestly wasn't that bad. I would definitely say she's better than Hector.
Oh, hello, I am Sophie. Yes, I'm so Sophie. I am from the Denmark. And from the Denmark, so in the Denmark, the people are very, very glowy. That's why I.
Being certified or starting an. I'm sorry. One more time. From the top. From the top, make it drop.
Yo!
Yo!